Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to World Geography with M.adnan. Today's tutorial is related to how can we predict the hydrocarbons area with the help of Landsat satellite data. This information we get from the source which is a AI chatbot of this one, which is open source. You can easily get from here. Just ask your question and just ask your the formula which you need, so it will be provided you, but we estimated it from here. As you can see, we commonly use this one because the hydrocarbon one, it will be correlated to with the if you can see the vegetation index, so it will have resemblance to that, so that's why we can use this one, the oil index, which and you can use some band ratios like this one, band 7.5, which also highlighted a high value of hydrocarbon, and 5.4, these also with the oil related mineralogy, okay, and these will be thermal anomalies, which indicates the subsurface oil deposits. So these ratio you need to note it and you can apply on it, but in today's tutorial we just apply this oil index as we share it on our Facebook page. As you can see, we already open the Landsat band 7 and band 5. Now we apply on it that formula with the help of raster calculator. So here is a spelling mistake, calculator. Okay, so here will be the master calculator. Simple, open it, and here it's come. I'm again showing the formula. This one, band 7 minus 5 and band 7 plus 5 in the denominator. So we simply use the floor for bracket 7 minus 5 divided floor 7 7 plus 5. Okay, so we give this a path. This path as will be here, oil index 7.5 we write here as a band, okay, and now we give here save it and run it. So it's little take time, so I'm skip the video. When it's complete it will be showing here. Okay, and simple procedure. Just little take time. Okay, so viewers, we can also apply on it a stretch type for clarify the area, because the oil area will be present here where the hydrocarbons, no? So this will be the area for oil presence. Sorry, I changed its color. Alright, the white color will be showing that area, so okay, no problem. So if we compare this histogram equalize, okay, so almost same values come here, as you can see, the green area and the white area. So these ratio will also be showing for you to the presence of hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon is more on that area as compared to the oil. So this changes I hope this tutorial help you. So if you like, if you want to know more about remote sensing and these kind of ratios like mineralogy, so you need to subscribe and share this channel with your friends. Thank you so much.